Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll, and today I come to you with a doll that I found in my closet. I knew it was there. Back, I say about 7-8 years ago, my husband and I were driving out into the country. There was an antique store there and they had a lot of outdoor stuff. On a nice day they would put stuff outdoors. And when we went by, if they had these indoor, I would never have found them. But lo and behold, this young lady was standing on a table with her counterpart, my other, Patti Playpal that I have in the house. And this one was there amongst her. Now she's got mold on her face. You can see it, all the mold. This is mold, all mold. And she is disgusting, you know. We need to clean her up. Let's see what we can do for her. I'm going to goopalize her first. We'll take it from there, and we're going to take her clothes off. She is also an ideal Patti Playpal. If I can't save her head, I would like to keep her body because it is in good shape, and use it for maybe another doll that I might, you never know, for parts or whatever. Sometimes that can work, sometimes not. Sometimes the whole doll is just gone. Now, a lot of people like to toss out dolls when they have that much mold on them. I like to give them another chance, and especially when it's a Patti Playpal. So first, let's get her changed. Let's get everything off of her. Let's just take a good look at her and what's happened to her over the years. She's been sitting in a closet waiting to be dealt with. So we're going to deal with her. So I tried to show her one year for Christmas, and I think it wasn't a good show. She needs a lot of work done to her. She's got mold even in her hair here right now. So it tells me that the plastic is wearing out, and there's even some mold on her arms here, but we're going to give her a chance. I want to give them a chance. And if not, then we have to look at something else we got to do for her. Oh, I'm not crossing that road just yet. Let's say we didn't. So, there we go. This just tells me her body is breaking down. And so we need to deal with that. Okay, that's good to go there. Oh, there we go. Now this plastic here and on her body doesn't mold like that. It's this vinyl stuff that does. Okay, there we go. Got her shoes off. Now we got her knock it pretty much. We don't need to take her off her undies because we're dealing with the head first. So the best thing we can do for her right now is get the goop out. Let's see what we can do. No promises at all. Oh. I just have so many dolls, I just can't get to them all. She's just yellowed. And when they get that bad, sometimes it's hard to save them. The mold came right off, not a problem at all. Okay, we'll just keep wiping on her here. And now, before I go any further, I want to wish my Canadian subscribers, I hope you had a very happy Thanksgiving. I tried to get on here yesterday, but my household was so busy because it was Thanksgiving in Canada, and I just couldn't break away. I kept trying and trying. I'm going to make a video. Wish all my subscribers a happy Thanksgiving. It just wouldn't happen. I just couldn't, there was just so much going on that I just went with the flow. But I was thinking about all my Canadian subscribers. I was hoping that you guys were, all you ladies and gents out there, were having a great Thanksgiving. And I hope you know, you ate good food, and you know, with friends and family and all that other wonderful stuff, you know. So, but we had a great Thanksgiving. The food was great. We just had a great time. And yeah, Once a year ordeal, done and over now, I guess, and now we're on to Halloween. And also, thank you for the great replies back for our videos that my daughter and I are doing in the house there for Halloween. We got another good one coming up next Sunday. So, this coming Sunday, I mean, it's coming up. We got another one, so stay tuned. There is more coming, so we haven't stopped yet. So we got quite a few there that we want to do. So I'm going to just take Patty and get to her other side over here. Oh my word, look at all this mold. Oh, my husband would say when he saw a person with a boat, he goes, there, go by. If a person with a boat on a trailer went by, he goes, there's my friends. They forgot to take me with them. My husband loved fishing. He was an outdoorsman as much as he could. He loved hunting and fishing. He never hunted with me because I had a problem with it. But I know, I do understand. I come from a hunting background, but he couldn't fire a gun anyways to hunt. He'd probably fall down because he was getting so weak near the end. So he had guns here though. But yeah, we're going to wash her hair too coming up here. We need to take her and just wash her hair. Now it seems like her arms are on, yeah, they're on elastics. So they pose pretty good, and I'm not going to disrupt that either. I'm going to keep that just the way it is, but oh my goodness. I might just have to get used to a yellow face Patti Playpal, because this yellow is not coming off. Didn't think it would either, because that turned before. She was yellow when I got her. I thought right away, and I only paid $10 for each one. That's all, $10. So it's not like I paid a whole lot of money for these. All my Patti Playpals, I have, well, all my big dolls I paid between $5 and $10 for. You know, Patti Playpal goes for a good clip. Even in bad condition, you can still sell a Patti Playpal for good money. Like you can still get a good clip for her online. Even just for parts. People are looking for parts to better their own doll. So, you know, if that's the case, you know, you're looking for parts. Sometimes you can find parts right online. But I like to keep this one here and get her, even if it's just to, you know, I don't know how she's going to show with such yellow skin, but I don't care. It's who she is now, you know. I bought her like this with this. I saw that her skin was yellow, and she had issues, you know. So we're going to wash her hair. We're going to get her looking nice again. She holds the autumn color in her. The dirt is coming off, not a problem at all. Like the dirt is just falling off of her. Maybe we'll try to repaint her lips a little bit too. I'll take some acetone, get this off her lips, and then repaint them. A nice peachy pink color. That's what it looks like it is. So she's got dents in her. I can in a little dent. So do you come here often, Patty? To the salon? Now we just need to get into the palm of her hand. You keep your fingernails quite short, I see. Yeah, she's really stained. Oh, is she ever stained? Let's see about, I brought this here. Sometimes a Mr. Clean Sponge can get things that we don't normally see. Like we can't get with other things we can get with Mr. Clean Sponge. Oh my goodness, yeah, the dirt is coming off. There might be several parts to this as I'm cleaning her up. But I hope my subscribers from Canada had a great Thanksgiving though. That's my last line of that. I hope you had a good time with your family and friends. that did take off. Look at this. It took off a lot of stuff that I just couldn't get to. Wow. That's great. They say by the end of the week we're supposed to get more rain, so I thought, well, this is a good day to get out here. I got Dancing with the Stars coming on tonight. I want to watch that. And I've been watching all anybody out there watching Survivor, because I'm watching it again. And last night we watched Planes, Trains, and Automobiles yesterday. That's one of them. We like to watch that. And then I think tonight my daughter and I are going to watch Hocus Pocus. So we're excited about that too. Oh, there we go. Oh, she turned it a lot cleaner. This is a lot nicer here. Oh, there we go. Wow, that one arm is really doing great. I mean, it's not perfect by no means, but it sure is shining up a lot better than what it was. Oh, that is so much. Look how much dirt I got off of that. Let's turn her around this way. Ooh. I need to get to this arm over here and this side of the face a little bit too. Now, I'm going to see if we're ready for part... Ooh, I got some more lip color off, which is fine. I'm going to repaint her lips anyways. Where are we at for time here? I'm going to have to put you in the sky because I got this up quite hot. Okay, I'm going to come back with part 2 in a few seconds here. So stay tuned for more. Okay, bye-bye.